What are you doing?
Welding a tacking a V-band clamp.
Is that coming off the header?
Yeah. It has to clear the cross member bracket.
I thought that was on the passenger side.
They're on both sides.
Tacking it in 4 spots.
Yeah.
This is the one you did your one of your tips.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
Other side.
Pretty nice. Cool. It's such a tight fit.
What?
Everything.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Let's go look at the other side. So can you come straight off the header, straight back, or do you have to make any turns?
So I'm kind of using one turn to do two things. I'm bringing it down and to the basically to the left.
Oh, okay.
But so it'll clear this, and then I don't have to mess with this, like trying to hang that up.
Off your transfer
I'll
case?
just bring it back up. Just,
Oh, okay.
I have another 90. I'll just cut it in half, turn it around, and then yeah, it'll be like that.
How much are you gonna get done tonight?
As much as I can.
Too bad it's 108 today.
Yeah, something like that.
That's cool.
Yeah.
V-bands and everything?
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Are you gonna just mark it with a Sharpie?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna tack it with a MIG welder?
I'll probably just mark it with the Sharpie.
It's cleaner because you don't have to.
Yeah.
You don't have to grind it off.
Or go over and make one.
I told you I'll do all this stuff.
I don't know.
Tooth Fairy?
Yeah. Got him for Christmas.
I can't wait to hear it fire up with the exhaust.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put an H pipe on it?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. Should I?
I mean, I would.
Yeah, I'm gonna. That was my plan. I was gonna do it right under this.
Oh, back there?
Yeah. Well, how am I gonna?
You can't. Yeah, I don't think it's possible up there.
So I have to do it right after the transfer case, but before that, the mufflers. It's a tight fit.
Are you gonna start it up before you do the H pipe, or are you gonna start it up first?
How much different would it sound, or what's the difference?
I think with an H pipe, it sounds more uniform. The pulses are more blended versus having an exhaust without the H pipe. I think just the pulses are more pronounced. I don't know. Sometimes it sounds good, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends. I like it better, the H pipe, but
Why not?
why not what?
Why not try?
Yeah, try it. Yeah, you never know. You might like it more.
And then the intake tube that I ordered from Jegs, the straight pipe comes tomorrow, so I can start working on that.
Let me see your 90.
It's in the back.
Go grab it. Let's see here. I see you finished the wiring.
Yeah.
So we got,
Wiring's done pretty much, except for the heater and AC wires are right there.
that's the filter. That's a big ass filter.
Yeah. So it's 6-inch inlet and then 7.5 outside, and then this top is 5-inch. 8 inches long. So this is a 90.
So you just made that last week?
Yeah.
So that goes on the intake at the beginning.
Yeah. It'll go something like this.
Okay, so you add a straight section to it.
Yeah.
When did you say the straight pipe's coming in?
Monday.
Is that how it's supposed to go? Like that?
Yeah, it'll come up, like down, and then a 90, or not a 90, but maybe like a 45, and then the filter should be probably like right there.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, something like that. And then I'll probably make a mount from here to the
From where?
tube, from
the fender?
tube to the fender.
Okay, that's probably smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you got your power steering.
Yeah, power steering pumps in. Got all the lines and the fittings. What else? Master cylinder. Just put it up, bleed it, and then
When do you get your
the
license?
brakes. 18th.
Is that Wednesday?
Yeah.
You gonna pass?
Hope so.
In first day of school tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
So, when do you think you'll actually be able to drive it?
Probably next week.
Think so?
Yeah. Hopefully.
So, are you gonna work on it tomorrow after school?
Yeah.
Depending on
I'll make the intake.
your homework.
Yeah. Usually we don't have homework on the first day, so.
Yeah.
But I'll probably work on the intake, finish the exhaust if I probably finish it.
So this motor came out of a what?
2004 2500 HD.
Okay.